Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a factory built 2015 P389 glider kit. Built the pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 10 speed. It's got 265,000 original miles. I've got it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, finish up on the inside with the oil pressure. Extremely nice truck. Let's go ahead and get started. Really clean. Frame rails are clean, southern trunk. Body and paint's extremely good. It's everything that you'd expect out of a 265,000 mile. Looks great. Back of the cab looks good. You've got a few little dings on the edge there, but overall that's in good shape. Frame rail's in good shape. Rubber looks great. Brakes are excellent. All aluminum wheels. Upgraded the driver's seat to a nice leather Legacy seat. Love the window in the back on a truck like this. It's nice. Extra gauges. They went in with the custom hardwood floor. Extremely nice. They just upgraded some things. It's just a nice truck overall. Temp has dropped just a wee bit, but you get the idea on what this thing looks like. Great low side oil pressure. Super responsive oil pressure. It's fantastic. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.